Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Today I'm out scouting around for different filming locations in the Philippines within my area. It'll make it, doing so, will make it cheaper, easier for me to commute as well as my talent. And it'll be cheaper for our production and future productions as well. Today is a very windy day, I want to point out, here in the Philippines, and this will make you have to service and CLA your Bolex cameras or vintage cameras more frequently. A lot of dust flowing about. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so I did find another abandoned home here in the Philippines, and these are great places to film for experimental horror. Very nice inside. Really nasty, dirty, that type of a thing. Windows look great, they're generally cracked, and great atmosphere for experimental horror films. So look at this beautiful area. And this magnificent tree right here. A very beautiful and amazing place to film experimental horror here in the Philippines. Now I do want to show you the beauty of an area like this that I've just discovered. Look how beautiful all this is. The issue, of course, would be getting down there, but it's a great and beautiful area for filming experimental horror. Look at this beautiful shot. This is a great area also. Here's a great shot of this area. This will definitely be magnificent for experimental horror filmmaking. Really beautiful here in the Philippines. So today I've really lucked out on finding some really beautiful filming locations for my experimental horror film, and very possibly others. It's very close, easy for me to commute as well as my talent. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share videos, join our Morbid Team Entertainment barter, buy and sell group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.